So here are the solutions to exercise 5.2. In this exercise, we need to factorise them. That is, we have to insert the brackets. So for question 1 here, we've got 2x plus 6. So the common factor in the 2 and the 6 is going to be a 2. I take the 2 outside the brackets. That will leave me with x plus 3 remaining on the inside of the bracket. For question 2, 4x plus 12. Our common factor again in the 4 and the 12 is going to be 4. 4x divided by 4 leaves me x. 12 divided by 4 leaves me with 3. So there's our answer for number 2. For question 3, 3t plus 9. Our common factor here is going to be 3. 3t divided by 3 leaves me with just t, and 9 divided by 3 leaves me with 3. So 3, open bracket, t plus 3 is the answer to number 3. For number 4, 5a minus 20. My common factor here is going to be 5. 5a divided by 5 leaves just a. Minus 20 divided by plus 5 gives me minus 4, because again 5 times minus 4 is minus 20. Be careful with the negative. For number 5, 6y plus 9. Here our common factor in 6y and 9 is going to be 3. 6y divided by 3 is going to leave me with 2y, and then 9 divided by 3 will leave me with just 3. So there is the top row here to exercise 5.2. Let's clear some space and we'll keep going here with the second row. Okay then, so number 6 next. 4f minus 10. Our common factor here is going to be a 2. So 4f divided by 2 leaves me with 2f, and minus 10 divided by 2 leaves me with minus 5. For number 7, 9g plus 15. Our common factor here is going to be 3. So 9g divided by 3 leaves me with 3g, and plus 15 divided by 3 leaves me with plus 5. For number 8, 8x plus 12. Our common factor here is going to be a 4. 8x divided by 4 leaves me with 2x, and plus 12 divided by 4 leaves me with plus 3. Number 9, 14r minus 21. Our common factor here is going to be 7. 14r divided by 7 leaves me with 2r, and minus 21 divided by 7 leaves me with minus 3. Because again, minus 3 times 7 is minus 21. For number 10, 12e minus 15. Our common factor here is going to be a 3. 12e divided by 3 leaves me with 4e, and minus 15 divided by 3 leaves me with minus 5. So there's our answers to the second row of exercise 5.2. Let's keep going. So the next one is number 11. We've got x, y plus 3x. In this example, the common factor in both of these two terms is just the x. xy divided by x leaves just y, and 3x divided by x leaves just plus 3. Number 12, 2ab plus ad. The common term in both of those two, or I should say the common factor in both of those two terms, is going to be our a. 2ab divided by a will leave 2b, and ad divided by a will leave just plus d. So there's the answer to number 12. For 13, 5t plus rt. Our common factor here is going to be the t. 5t divided by t will leave 5, and rt divided by t will leave plus r. For number 14, 5ry minus rf. Our common factor here is going to be r. So 5ry divided by r will leave 5y, and now minus rf divided by our r is going to leave minus f. So there's our answer to 14. And the final one for this row, for 15, 3gh minus 2g. Our common factor here is going to be our g. So 3gh divided by g will leave 3h, and then minus 2g divided by 2 will leave minus 2g divided by g will leave minus 2. And there's our answer to 15. So there is the next row done. Okay, let's do the next row. So here we go for number 16. X squared minus 2x. Our common factor here between both of those two terms is going to be x. X squared divided by x leaves just x. Minus 2x divided by x leaves minus 2. For number 17, 2d squared minus 3d. Our common factor here is going to be d. 2d squared divided by d will leave 2d, and minus 3d divided by d will leave minus 3. For number 18, 4p squared plus 5p. Our common factor here is going to be p. 4p squared divided by p will leave 4p, and 5p divided by p will leave plus 5. Number 19, 6r minus 5r squared. Our common factor here will be r. 6r divided by r leaves 6, and minus 5r squared divided by r is going to leave minus 5r. Number 20, last one for our row here. 9p squared plus p. Our common factor will be p. 9p squared divided by p is 9p, and plus p divided by p will leave plus 1, because anything divided by itself is just 1. So there's our answers for our penultimate row. Let's clear this off and do the last row here. Okay, here we go. Number 21. 3xy plus 6x. Okay, so our common factor here is going to be 3x. So 3xy divided by 3x will just leave y, and 6x divided by 3x will leave plus 2. Number 22, 8a plus 4ab. Our common factor here is going to be 4a. 8a divided by 4a leaves us 2, and then 4ab divided by 4a leaves us with just plus b. For number 23, 5fg plus 10g. Our common factor here is going to be 5g. 5fg divided by 5g will leave f, and 10g divided by 5g will leave plus 2. For 24, 4rt minus 6r. Our common factor here is going to be 2r. 4rt divided by 2r, that's going to give us what? That's going to give us 2t. And then our last bit, minus 6r divided by 2r, is going to give us with minus 3. And then our last question for 25, 6gh minus 9h. Our common factor here is going to be 3h. 6gh divided by 3h is going to leave us with 2g. And then minus 9h divided by 3h is going to leave us with minus 3. So there's our answers to exercise 5.2. Go through them at your leisure and make sure you're okay with all of these and factorising. The key to this, of course, is knowing your multiplication tables very well and knowing what numbers divide by what factors to give us our product. So hopefully you're okay with those solutions. Let's get back to the main video and keep going.